What we're going to do next is actually make the AI move to the player. So in the character blueprint class, we're actually going to delete all of these action inputs of the attacks and everything for the character, everything from the begin play. And now we're going to go off begin play and we're going to choose AI move to. And pawn is going to be self, and so that's what's going to be moving. And now we're going to cast to the archer strictly to get the target actor on AI move to. And now out of the variable, we can plug this into target actor. And acceptance rate is how close the AI is going to get to the character or the actor that it's moving to. Okay? So next we're going to put a delay, so when he moves to the character, he's going to wait a second. And then we're going to make a print string for development purposes to see that this is actually on success. And now we're going to loop this after the delay in the print string back to cast archer and compile it so that it's always going to read this and loop and loop and loop. So save all before a loop, and we're going to try this. And now we'll see that he moved to the player. He waits 2 seconds. And as I move, he's always going to try and move to me. Sorry it's a little glitchy. My computer's not the best while I'm recording and running Unreal Engine, but you get the point. And there we have it.